Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix the Outlook app when it's not syncing properly. Whether emails aren't updating or folders aren't refreshing, these simple fixes can help you restore smooth syncing. On the Outlook dashboard or on your computer, click the Start button and go to Settings. Once we're here, click on Apps and then go to Installed Apps. Now we just need to scroll down to Outlook. When we find Outlook, click the three dots and then select Advanced Options. Then scroll down until we see the Repair or Reset option. We'll select Repair, which will fix Outlook and help it start syncing again. Once that's done, we just need to refresh and restart the computer, and Outlook will be good to go. That's how we can fix Outlook sync issues in just a few simple steps. With everything working properly again, we won't miss any important emails,